Hi, I'm Allison Roper-Zuckert with milehimodern. Welcome to 535 Detroit Street. This project is great because it isn't trying hard for the exterior look. It has such a nice refined finish. It's got multiple outdoor living spaces, and it really just shows a way of tasteful elegance of living in one of the best neighborhoods in Denver. One reason why I'm so excited about this development is because of the builders, Rubix Group. They are some of the best developers and builders in Denver because they give great thought to the end user. There are designer finishes throughout, visual comfort, Curry & Co lighting fixtures, unique tile throughout. All of it literally is something that an actual end user could come in and say that is exactly what I would have picked out. This is a property that will be relevant for years to come. It's just this beautiful space to chill, be at home, relax, yet be in the epicenter of where so much goodness in Denver is happening now.